Let me ask you one question. Can you describe your day in English? Not just, I wake up, I eat, I sleep. I mean, really describe your day, like an American, naturally, confidently, without stopping, without thinking too long. If your answer is, not yet, then this episode is exactly for you, because in the next 10 minutes, I am going to teach you exactly how Americans talk about their day, the words they use, the phrases they use, the rhythm they use, and by the end of this episode, you will be able to do it too. I promise. My name is Jake. Welcome to Learn English Podcast, New York. Let's start right now. First, let me tell you something important. Most English students learn sentences like this. I wake up. I go to school. I eat lunch. I go home. These sentences are correct, yes, but they are not natural. They are not how Americans actually talk. An American doesn't say, I wake up. An American says, I usually wake up around 7. Do you hear the difference? Around 7, not exactly 7, around 7. Americans use words like around, usually, kind of, a little. These small words make your English sound real, sound natural, sound American. Let me teach you these words right now. Word number 1, usually. Usually. U-S-U-A-L-L-Y. Usually. Usually means most days. Not every day, but most days. For example, I usually eat lunch at noon. Repeat after me. Usually.
Word number 3, pretty. Pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. In American English, pretty doesn't just mean beautiful. Pretty also means quite, a little, fairly. For example, my day was pretty good. My lunch was pretty simple. Repeat after me. Pretty. These 3 words, usually, around, pretty. Remember them, use them. They will change your English immediately. Now, let me describe my day like an American. Listen carefully. I will use all the words we just learned. So, my day usually starts around 7 in the morning. I don't jump out of bed immediately. I kind of just lie there for a few minutes, just thinking, just breathing, just waking up slowly. Americans call this easing into the morning. Easing into something means starting slowly, gently, without rush. I ease into my morning every day. Then I get up, I make coffee. My coffee is pretty strong, black, no sugar. I drink it slowly, standing in the kitchen, looking out the window. New York in the morning is something else. People walking fast, yellow taxis, the sound of the city waking up. I love this moment. It's pretty quiet in my apartment, but loud outside. Around 8:30, I start my work. I work from home, so I just walk from the kitchen to my desk. Pretty easy commute, right? Commute, this is the trip from your home to your work. My commute is 10 steps from the kitchen to the desk. I'm pretty lucky. Then around noon, my favorite part of the day, lunchtime. I usually make something simple. Today I made pasta with olive oil and garlic. Garlic, this is a small white vegetable, very strong smell, very good taste. I ate at the table, not at my desk, at the table. This is important. When you eat, really eat. Don't work, don't scroll, just eat. Americans call this taking a real lunch break. A real lunch break means you actually stop, you actually rest. After lunch, I went outside for a walk. The weather was pretty nice today. Not too hot, not too cold. Kind of perfect, actually. I walked around my neighborhood for about 20 minutes. I saw my neighbor, Mrs. Johnson. She was walking her dog. I said, "Hey, how's it going?" How's it going? This is how Americans say hello to someone they know. Not, how are you? Americans say, how's it going?
She said, pretty good, thanks. You? I said, can't complain. Can't complain. This is a very American expression. It means everything is okay. Not perfect, but good enough. Can't complain. Repeat after me. Can't complain. Perfect. You just learned a real American expression. After my walk, I came back home, had a glass of water, and got back to work around 1:30. That was my day. Simple, but described like an American. Now it's your turn. I want you to describe your day like an American. Don't worry, I will help you. We do this together, step by step. Ready? Step 1. Your morning. Complete this sentence out loud right now. I usually wake up around. Say your time out loud. Don't be shy. Nobody is listening, just you and me. Good. Now say it again, a little faster. Perfect. Step 2. Your lunch. Complete this sentence. For lunch, I usually eat. It's pretty... Is it pretty good? Pretty simple? Pretty delicious? You choose. You describe. Out loud. Excellent. Step 3. After lunch. Complete this sentence. After lunch, I usually... The weather is pretty... What do you do after lunch? Walk? Rest? Study? Work? Say it. Full sentence out loud. You just described your day in English like an American. Did you feel that? That feeling is called progress, and it feels good. Before I finish today, here are 5 American phrases you can use tomorrow in real life, starting tomorrow. Phrase number 1, I usually wake up around. Phrase number 2,
my morning was pretty good. Phrase number 3, I kinda just relaxed after lunch. Kind of just. This means approximately, more or less. Phrase number 4, how's it going? To say hello to someone you know. Phrase number 5, can't complain when someone asks how you are. 5 phrases. That's it. Use them tomorrow. Use them this week. People will think you lived in America. I'm serious. Okay, before I let you go today, I want to say something. And I mean this sincerely. Learning a language is one of the hardest things a human being can do. You are learning someone else's words, someone else's rhythm, someone else's music. That takes courage, real courage. And the fact that you are here, listening to this in English, that already makes you different from most people. Most people say, I want to learn English. You are actually doing it right now, today. That is everything. Now, I have a challenge for you. Go to the comments right now. Write 1 sentence in English about your day. Use one of the 5 phrases we learned today. Just 1 sentence, that's all.
For example, I usually wake up around 6. Can't complain. Simple, real American. Write it below. I will read it. I will reply. Every single comment. Because this is not just a podcast. This is a community. A community of people who decided to change their life, 1 English sentence at a time. And if you want to be part of this community every week, if you want a new episode every single week, new vocabulary, new phrases, new stories, new practice, then hit subscribe right now. It takes 2 seconds, and it changes everything. Click the bell, too, so you never miss an episode. Because next week, we have something really special. Something that most English teachers never teach you. Something that will make your English sound immediately more natural. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe, and I will see you next week. This is Jake, Learn English Podcast, New York. Keep going. You are doing amazing. Bye for now.